Google Dictionary. Install Google Dictionary by Google. In this example, I have a Google Docs file open. Google Dictionary works across all applications. To access Google Dictionary, enter a Control-L to move to the address bar. Then ChromeVox right arrow several times until you're on Google Dictionary. Enter ChromeVox spacebar to activate Google Dictionary. The focus lands on the edit box, but don't keyboard. It will not voice. Instead, press the Tab key several times until the focus cycles back to the edit box and says edit box. ChromeVox will now voice the edit box correctly. I am now in a sample Google Docs file. I'm going to move to the address bar with a Control-L.
Address and search bar. https://
And then I'm going to move to Google Dictionary with a ChromeVox right arrow key.
Send this page. Bookmark this tab. Google Hangouts new line McClanahan. Google Dictionary new line has a.
Once I'm on Google Dictionary, I'm going to do a ChromeVox spacebar.
Google Dictionary new line has access to this site.
Notice I'm in the edit box, and I'm going to type in some text. It's not voicing. This is not effective at all. Every time a blind user goes into Google Dictionary, they're always going to need to press the Tab key and cycle back to the edit box. I'm now pressing the Tab key until I cycle back.
Clamp. Selected. Edit text.
I now cycle back to the edit box, and it's going to work correctly. I'll type in the word working.
WORKING.
Now I'm going to press a ChromeVox right arrow key.
Define. Button.
Go to Define.
Press search plus space tab.
Then I'll do ChromeVox spacebar.
Define. Disabled. Button. Define. Button.
Can navigate to the definition with a ChromeVox down arrow key.
Working. / working. Adjective. : 1 dot. Having paid employment dot. List item. Engaged in manual labor dot.
If I want to read the whole definition, I could always do a ChromeVox R. When I want to navigate back to the edit box, I can get there quickly with a ChromeVox Control left arrow key.
Working. Edit text.
And then I can just type in another definition.
GNIKROWSHARK. Define. Button. Define. Disabled. Button.
Just typed in another definition. When I'm done with the dictionary and want to go back to Google Docs, I just push the escape key.
Address and search bar.
And that's going to be it
https://
for this session.